how are we all doing? Right, ladies and gents, this is just a quick informal quick update video. What's going on at the moment? I don't even know where to start. There is so much happening, not specifically for like Xiolage as a channel, but just in my life in general. And I thought I'd just make a quick update video as to what's going on. So obviously I'm trying my best to put out content whenever I can. And I've got so many things arranged. Obviously we know about the track day, you know, we've got to do a load of other things before the track day, which we'll get on into future videos. But yeah, I thought I'd just take like 5 minutes just to quickly update what's going on. How's life, you know? It's been probably a couple of weeks since I posted a video. Just been super busy. So yeah, so we went away camping in the Caddy. I need to actually start making like videos with the Caddy again. I almost like forget about it most of the time. It's a great van. You know, it does everything we needed to do, and it's super reliable. I know other people have loads of issues with it. We had our fair issues. But yeah, no, everything's good with the Caddy. You know, we started piling some money into it and turning it into a camper and getting out more and exploring and all that sort of stuff. And if that's something you're interested in, then go into my Instagram. I post stories all the time when we're out camping, whether it's the Caddy or me and Em or whatever, just exploring and doing stuff. But besides that, there's other things, you know, work, and I'm actually coming towards the end of my studies, which is fucking insane. Like, it's been such a long time. I've been studying forever. Like, I've been in school or college or, you know, the equivalent for such a long time. I'm looking forward to the end of it, really. But obviously that's taken up a load of time. And then something huge in the background as well, which I won't just lay everything out down here, but just keep your eyes peeled. There's going to be massive changes in the future. But yeah, just so much stuff is going on at the moment. So just bear with me. I'm trying my best. I have got some content lined up that hopefully will be hitting the channel soon. I just need to find like 5 minutes to actually do it, which seems pretty hard this summer. For some reason, we were just getting rain. Today's all right. It has been raining, but now it's sunshine. But yeah, I just need to dodge. I need to like do some Jenga with my time right now. I'm absolutely maxed out. Yeah, you'll see a lot more stuff like short form content and stuff go up. I've tried to do a couple of videos where it's just funny things or things that like, you know, videos that I can't really make like a full 10-20 minute video about, just little things. I make like shorts and Instagram reels, that sort of like short form content. So if that's something you like, then obviously you may have seen it already. If you haven't, go to my channel below and then just go check shorts. But yeah, I'm going to try and pump out a few more things like that. This is just a quick update, quick, short, informal, in the cabin, what's going on. Yeah, things are crazy right now. But if you want to keep up to date, I will be posting, like I said, on here when I can, little updates here and there on my Instagram and all the other links below. So if you guys want to check it out, there is the website link below. Just click on it, just go follow me on that. And yeah, keep your eyes peeled. Obviously, we've got the track day coming up soon. That's the biggest thing at the moment that I can think of, which is going to be insane. But prep needs to happen before. So yes, enough rambling. I need to stop talking. It's getting on now a bit, this video. It's only meant to be a quick update video. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Stick around. It's a bit all over the place at the moment, but we will be back to it very shortly.